How to clear cache on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to clear cache on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open your Snap. Then after this, when your Snap is opening guys, you go here on your profile icon, then open it. Then when your profile is open, you go to settings and open it. Then in settings you will have a lot of option in the long list. You will just go down and on account action you will click on clear cache. You will just click, then they will told you if you are sure to clear cache. You will just say yeah, continue, and Snap will clear your cache on Snapchat. That's it guys. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.